Last look at Las Cruces. No, this ain't Las Cruces. This is Gage, New Mexico. We're heading to Las Cruces. Well, last look around. We're just 99.9% packed up. We just got to put the awning in. She's putting the solar lights in the car. Scott's all packed up, ready to go. We're packed up, ready to go. Everything's tied down. Oh, except I forgot to tighten the gas cap down. So I always do a walk around. Make sure stuff's latched, locked.
Come out.
Who's you got in the car with you? There's Jasper. Hey, Jasper.
Who thinks he's riding? There's no room. Yeah, everything's latched.
Oh, yeah, good thing I checked because the battery's not latched.
Yeah.
And neither is the storage bin.
Well,
And I don't think I have those keys on me. Yes, I do.
Okay. There's
I have
Roy.
no shirt on. It's hot.
Hey, guess what? It's nature. Locking it tight this time. We don't want no flapping going down the road. Right?
Yep.
Especially,
That was this one.
yeah. For some reason, the necks never come loose. We've cleaned it, but we haven't used the fridge. But when we took off from Indiana, that refrigerator vent thing kept coming undone. Alrighty.
We're ready to roll in.
Yep, gotta put awning up.
Oh, yeah.